Seriously guys, you look down on your Instagram, it's still 2020, and when you look up, you're in 2022. You have armpit hair longer than your actual hair, and you be looking like Chewbacca. I'm about to roast the way you use social media. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, click the subscribe button if you want to see more content, and if you're not new, then thanks for coming back. Social media has to have a positive influence on you. Now, we've all heard the positive effects of social media. It makes it really easy to communicate with others. I mean, straight up, if Harry Potter had an iPhone, there would be no Hedwig. Okay, you wouldn't be seeing this on my video right now. But social media makes it so easy for people to say mean things to others without really thinking about the consequences. Stop sending howlers.
Ronald Weasley!
You don't need to be sending them.
How dare you!
Seriously, there are people out there who will just be spreading negativity all over social media. Honey, did you think you were auditioning for Mean Girls 3? I'm sorry, the movies are over. You're acting like Dolores Umbridge right now. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go pop cause balloons and navigate back to Earth, back to reality.
Oops.
But social medias aren't just bad because people tend to say mean things on them. They're also bad because they create unrealistic expectations. See, when I take a picture with my phone for social media, if I take a picture and the lighting's too bright, well, I'd be looking like Slenderman. If I actually think I'm standing straight, I'm actually Quasimodo, the Hunchback of Notre Dame. And if I do so after a day in the sun, I'm the Queen of Hearts. If I forgot to put on waterproof makeup at the pool, I'm the matchmaker. And by the time I'm done taking all of these pictures, I look like that old evil witch from Snow White, and it's probably time to start digging my grave because I'm not gonna be alive for much longer. Taking a good picture is a struggle because even when you think it's a good picture, it's ugly as F. Another problem of social media is that we are really gullible. I mean, sometimes I think we're stupid. I think we have a lower IQ than a goldfish because when we see something on social media, we believe it's true. Now, don't get me wrong, some things might be true. And I think that the one thing everybody believes in but has never been proven to be true is zodiac signs, astrological signs. I don't care how you want to call them. We've all encountered those before on our social media platforms. Now, straight up, this zodiac sign is telling me that if I'm born on the 20th of April, I'm gonna love English and I'm gonna become Shakespeare, but if I'm born on the 21st of April, I'm gonna love math and I'm gonna become Einstein. You're both wrong. I want to be Scooby-Doo and be eating all day because all I care about at school is lunch. So give me my Scooby snacks. Honestly guys, do you really believe in zodiac signs? Because if you do, you should really listen to this one. Even if you don't agree with everything I've just said, you have to agree with the fact that social media is a time-consuming platform. Seriously guys, you look down on your Instagram, it's still 2020, and when you look up, you're in 2022. You have armpit hair longer than your actual hair, and you be looking like Chewbacca. What is up with social media sucking out our time like this? There's a problem. Straight up, where are you, Marty, and where's your time machine? Because I want to go back to the past, but you're not letting me do so. You're only letting me go to the future, and that's not good. Another reason why social media isn't great, because we concentrate too much on the numbers. I mean, we just want our number of followers to blow up like I want to say Hiroshima and Nagasaki, but that's not a nice joke, so I'm not gonna. We want that attention. We want to be a social media star. And that's no good, because in order to do that, we try to stay in contact with every single person we've ever met in our life. I mean, I'm in contact with Jimmy, a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend of my sister's. All I know about you, Jimmy, is that you love dogs, and you know why I know that? Because you post 20 pictures of your dog every single week. I don't care if your dog is being a good boy. I don't care if your dog is eating Chinese food, and I certainly don't care if your dog is sleeping on your bed. Jimmy, listen, Chandler was right. I have a carton of milk in my refrigerator I've had a longer relationship with. So, forgive me, I'm gonna go and follow you. Bye, Jimmy. In all seriousness, guys, it's pretty simple. If you want social media to have a positive influence on your life, you have to create that positive influence on social media. Meaning, you don't write mean comments and you unfollow people who write mean comments. Block them if you need to get rid of their negativity. Stop trying to take perfect pictures to show everyone that you're leading a perfect life, because we all know you ain't leading a perfect life. There is no perfect life. There's no utopia, okay? Watch the Hunger Games watch The Maze Runner. You can watch any movie talking about a utopia. It doesn't exist and it doesn't work. Don't be gullible. Don't believe everything you read because everything isn't true. And get some sense about these zodiac signs. Try not to let social media suck out all of your time because you need that time to be working on your dreams and on your goals. So use that time to be productive. Don't use that time to watch Jimmy's dog eating homemade pizza. And if you have no idea who Jimmy is, unfollow him because honestly, you don't need to be following people that you don't care about. If you're looking for Instagrammers or Twitter accounts that can have a positive impact on your life, I'm gonna have them pop up on a black screen right here and you can go follow them and see if you like their content. Content that is supposed to better you. And if you want more of that similar content, I'm gonna invite you to go check out my own social media platforms. That's Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what video you would like to see next. And until then, Scooby-Dooby-Doo! I have no idea whether I did that right. I have no idea, I don't want to know.